Guys, can you believe that with the drawstring on the wig, it fits from 18 to 24 inches head side? Is anybody even an 18-inch head size? That's a child, okay? Which means it's perfect for anyone. I love that. And we also have a universal cap, 5 times more secure. Nadula, what did you just do? Look how perfect that lace is. Thank you to Nadula here for sponsoring this video. Oh, wow. So this is a 20-inch Yaki straight. And you guys know I love the Yaki texture here. But guess what? We got the trick. We have the drawstring wig. My absolute favorite. This is how it looks. We are going to pull the string. You see how tight it can get? That is if you have a very small head size. You see how gripped it is? And then all you have to do is go in and open it out. You see that? So this is probably my head size because I do have a regular head size of 22 inches. So if you're like 20 or 21 inches, then you would have to pull it tighter. But this is how it looks when you pull it tight. See that? And then if you have a bigger head size, like a medium, then you go ahead. So this drawstring, it's pretty much if you like to go glueless. Also, we have more support from the adjustable band. But the lace is perfect for a Yaki hair texture. We have good lace. Look at that lace right there. How beautiful that is. And this is how the texture looks. It do have that coarseness to it, which is my favorite because you don't have to worry about always curling the hair. It just have that beautiful coarse texture that we're used to. Well, some of us is used to, like myself. So this is it. Look at that. We're gonna get into the install and I'll see you guys. This is a ready to wear wig, you know. See how that lace is pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-pluck. All right, let's get into it. Guys, can you believe that with the drawstring on the wig, it fits from 18 to 24 inches head side? Is anybody even an 18-inch head size? That's a child, okay? Which means it's perfect for anyone. I love that. And we also have a universal cap, 5 times more secure. Nadula, what did you just do? Look how perfect that lace is. Listen, I can never go wrong with a Yaki texture wig. It's my favorite. Look at that. The wig also, because it's have a drawstring, you can give it the illusion as a 360 wig. So I am gonna go. No, nothing is pulled together, but I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm gonna put the wig up. Hold on. And I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna pull that, because nothing is on. It completely fits the head, but I'm gonna turn around and we're gonna pull the wig down and put on the cap. So as you guys can see, I am going to pull the string, pull it a little bit tight because it's not. That is secure because it have the perfect cap size. But not just that, see? Not just that, we are gonna go pull down the wig and we are going to secure the drawstring. We're going to secure the wig with the drawstring, and then you put the rest behind. So now the wig is secure. Yes, so you can also give the illusion as if it's a 360 wig. I love that. The pre-cut saves time and effort. The pre-pluck achieves a natural look. Pre-bleach, oh, it's black. Also, the pre-bleach delivers a seamless blend. And pre-flattened means you can pull it from the pack and wear it like this, literally. And if I even use a comb, it's gonna be super easy. So I tell you guys all about the wig. I am going to go in, and you know this is gonna be my favorite wig right now, right? I'm also gonna show you a different style, maybe 2 or 3 styles, guys. Because I love this wig, as you guys see, we can wear it straight from the pack. Okay, we can, but I feel like I want to keep this on for the rest of the week, so I'm definitely gonna use a little bit of spray. But look at it coming from my scalp. If you are someone who needs to go on the road, you can pull the wig all from the package and put it on your head. Super easy. But I'm gonna go ahead and spray it because I wanted to show you guys how it looks as a glueless install, which means all you gotta do, lift it up. I did went ahead and blend it with the makeup, so matching makeup to my skin tone. But look at this Yaki texture, my favorite, because it's so natural. It lasts long. You don't have to curl it too often. It is perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead, and sometimes the wig, you can see the wig cap. Where is the cap? Love this for me. I love the length as well. Even though it's 20 inches, I am gonna go in and I'm gonna give it a straight across cut, because I'm gonna raise a cut the front, and at the ends give it a straight across cut so it have that more fuller look. So let's go in. I'll definitely speed up this part where you guys can see, but the drawstring is happening. So I'm gonna go ahead and we are gonna spray it, so keep on watching.
Really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna go, I really wanna stay. But I know, can we get it together? Get it together. You don't know the pain that I feel. You've taken my love for granted, and you just wanna see it your way. Yeah, it's about that time. I'm gonna tell you what's on my mind. I'm fed up with you not being here with me.
Alright guys, we are gonna go in, and I showed you guys how the hair look as is, but I'm definitely gonna go in and add some, well, I'm gonna straighten the wig, rather not add anything, but we're gonna straighten the wig. And I'm gonna start off with the hot comb. Then we are gonna go in, and this is really easy. This is why I love this texture, because you're gonna see a big difference. And I'm gonna use this flat iron that I recently got, and I absolutely love it. and the hair can take heat, okay? It can take up to 400 and something degrees. Don't worry, it's not gonna be burned. It's like your natural hair. It's not plastic. You will be perfectly fine. I have this at 450 and it is taking it. You don't hear any noise or anything like that. So you guys saw I took off some of the hair because I want it to be on one level so it doesn't look anyway, but the wig came as a 20-inch. So I love that for me. Not too long. When I reinstall this, I am gonna go in and cut it some more, and then we're gonna add some curl to it. So you guys are gonna see the difference once we're done. So let's just flat iron and come back. Wow, you guys see the difference? We are gonna go in this side. So far, so good. Look at that for a Yaki hair. Perfect. I'm gonna go in with this side. I don't understand, Alright guys, listen, Yaki straight texture, you see that? It just look, yeah, this is it for me. So this is the first style that we're working with. I love it, and I love that the hair is not too long. Just imagine me putting some curls into this. Yeah, it would be perfect. So love it. Love it. I will definitely show you guys another style, but remember I showed you don't have to flat iron the hair, and that was okay. All right, this we flat iron the hair and it's now perfect. So I suggest if you want a more natural and fuller look, you razor cut down some. It's just preference, you don't have to. And also I did the ends just because I wanted to have that natural flow look. But this is it, y'all. This is the first style that we're working with this Yaki straight hair. I love it. I love me a good Yaki hair, and this one fits perfect. The drawstring, top tier, like top tier. You will not be disappointed. Okay, so this is the first look. Let's start styling the other look. Come on. The second hairstyle. You guys saw when I was curling this, and when I tell you the heat on a hair like this, spectacular. I did something simple, took me literally 5 minutes or so to get it done. Alright, we're gonna go back in because I wanted this to be one curl. Look at that, much better. Alright, this is the second hairstyle. If you don't get this wig, then I don't know what to tell you, because it is so, because the lace is perfect. You see this? Oh my god, I'm excited. I love it. What do you guys think? So this is the second hairstyle. Really easy, really simple. I was gonna plait the hair, but I remember that I razor cut it. So this is school friendly, like it's just versatile and I love it. And we could go on and show you another hairstyle, but these two hairstyles will do for now. You guys get the gist of it. The curls are perfect. Even if because it's a yaki texture here, if I wanted to have a more fluffy look, I can go ahead, comb out the curls a little bit, and it's still gonna look good. So this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks again to Nadula here. The wig is wicked, okay? It says a lot because it's perfect, and I love that I did razor cut it, so it's giving natural my hair vibe. Love it, love it. So make sure you guys check the description, because of course the link will be there. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks again to Nadula for sponsoring this video. Yeah, remember, it's a closure, okay? You just have to give the illusion as a frontal, and you guys see how I did that. All right, see you in the next one. A third hairstyle. I just wanted to show you guys. I use a claw clip and just pin it up because it's time for me to not get my hair messy. But this could be a third hairstyle. So the hair, the style, the wig is very versatile, so you can do whatever you want, okay? Just showing you guys, and I love it like this.